sunshine. Good morning.
Hey y'all, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I am about to get up, get in the shower, wash my face, and go to my favorite pizza spot. It's called Bday's Pizza out here in Atlanta, where you literally get a whole pizza for $10. And you get to put as many things on there as you will like. You get to pick different sauces, like if you want Alfredo sauce instead of like tomato sauce. It doesn't matter how many different toppings you put on your pizza. It doesn't matter. It's still $10. So I got a taste for some pizza. So I'm about to go do that. And I guess we shall see what the day brings us. Hella irritated, y'all. How in the hell did this get in my tire? So irritated. But hopefully it can just be patched and not be that much. Super excited, y'all, because the nail was so small. It didn't go through to my tire. So the guy literally just took it out. And we're rolling. Yay. Look at God. Look at God. Look at God. Thank you, Jesus. Thank y'all, Express. I am about to get dressed. Just did my skin routine. Just did my hair. I am getting dressed to go out. It is my best friend's husband's birthday. He is a Cancer gang. It is officially our season, okay? But yeah, about to get dressed and go out and have fun, have a few drinks, and turn up.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around. Find one to see my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing, no. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this runway.
Hey y'all, good morning. Happy 4th of July. As you can see, I look very much tired because we had a time last night. We had so much fun. My best friend's husband went all the way out for his birthday. He had a lot of people in town visiting. So it was a good time all around. But I'm up early because I need to get some more fireworks. And 4th of July, kind of last minute, trying to go get some fireworks. I'm pushing it, so I'm like, let me get up early and literally go when the doors open. So that's what we're about to do. Of course, I have to do this quick skin routine because, you guys, my face has gotten so much better since I've gotten into the daytime and the nighttime little regimen. So got to keep this going. just got back in the house. Went to the fireworks store to grab some more fireworks. Went to the grocery store to grab some more things for our dinner. And then, of course, the liquor store. We wanted to barbecue, but we ain't got time to be dealing with that grill. Just, we ain't got time to be dealing with that. So we're going to fry a few things, put a few things in the oven, throw some barbecue sauce on that. And you can't tell us it ain't barbecue. But it was hot as hell. So I am about to get dressed, freshen up. I look a mess. And we can't be having that. So, yeah, let's do that. Let's cook and let's pop some fireworks because it is the start of my birthday. I've already started packing for Canada. Super excited. So, yeah. And it's supposed to rain tonight. And I'm going to be hella mad if it rain because I ain't spent this money on these fireworks for nothing. No. So, get it together, Atlanta. Get it together. Ah. Go ahead and let my face.
Box of KFC for $20.
No. Never mind. No. That's what ours do. Don't play with us. Don't play with us. That's how our 43 one is. I told you from my backyard we was able to see all the time, everywhere.
Hey, y'all. So I got an Amazon package earlier. Can y'all guess one of the things I got? I got a light. Clearly, I've been needing it. I've been needing this light. It looks so good. Because right now I'm recording all of my videos on my phone until I get a camera. So it is A-okay. Gotta make it do what it do. But I'm about to end my night watching Good Girls on Netflix. Have y'all ever seen that? Y'all gotta get into it. So the first couple of shows you may have to like get into it. Like you may like it, you may not. But it's a hilarious. It's basically about like 3 good moms turned bad. Super hilarious. I don't want to tell y'all much, but all you need to know is that you need to get into it. But anyways, I am going to do an Amazon haul because I got a lot of little goodies in there again for Canada and then also just in general. So my next video will, before my Canada vlog, will be a Amazon haul / travel essentials because I do travel a lot. And so a few good things that I'm sure y'all don't got in y'all little luggage or your little carry-on. What was that about? But anyways, a few good things that I think will be able to do y'all some justice when you're traveling. So that will be the next video. So be on the lookout for it. But Like, comment, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notifications so you know every time I drop. But this vlog was super, super short. Not much going on, but still did something. And I know I'm a little behind, y'all. I know. But I'm going to get it together. I promise.